How to add McDonald's gift card to app. For this, go ahead and open your McDonald's application. If you do not have this application, download using your Play Store or an App Store. And make sure that you are logged in to your McDonald's account. From here, select any of the deals that you want to order first and foremost. If not, you can even tap on the order page to select a food item. If not, just go ahead and search for a food item to purchase. Once you are happy with the food order, select your card or the order option. Now here is all of the items that you have purchased or added to your cart. You can edit the quantity of the food by simply tapping on the edit option, or if you want to remove the order, simply tap on the remove option. If you want to order more, tap on Order More option at the bottom of the screen. Now, to check out from here, select the option of Choose Payment, then select a payment method. It will accept credit card or debit card, PayPal or Venmo. Once you select your payment method, make sure that you have edited or entered the credential of your payment method as well. After that, you have to enter the amount of money that is your total in your McDonald's app. At the bottom, you should find the option of Add a promo or gift card. You can simply tap on it, then enter your gift card number given in the dialog box. Simply like that, you'll be able to add your gift card on your McDonald's application. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.